Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue all in one powerful platform ready to turn your ideas into income. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. So first of all, you have just to open web browser and dive into System.io. As you can see, you have this information and this is the home page. But before, let's know what is System.io, sorry, and how it works with it. So welcome to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, so System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what truly matters. Growing your business, join our community, and start turning your vision into reality today. So the first thing here we have System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, and then we have send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketing. So that's it. Then we have here who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online. Manage every single aspect of your business without the hassle. The first one, course creators, make money teaching people what you know, host your online training, receive payments from your students, and sell your courses using sales funnels or emails. Then we have freelancers here, create a powerful website to sell your services, showcase your work, and get more leads. Then we have consultants here, run evergreen webinars, communicate with your clients, and grow your audience. Then we have the last one, small business owners, bring your businesses to life with our marketing and e-commerce tools, sell anything to anyone with our point of sale features. Then if we scroll down and you want to become an affiliate, you can just click over it, or you can just write your email address here and you can get started with free account. But let's click on over become an affiliate to more information. We have here over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. So we have the first thing, earn 60% lifetime commissions every time our affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. Then we have strong affiliate tracking. Your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to your referrals. Then we have open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program, and then we have here anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a System.io customer. Then you write your email address here and you can just get started earning affiliate commissions. Then right now I will give you how you can get started as an affiliate. First step, read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. The second step, read the info page about how the System.io affiliate program works. Third step, check out our branding page to find all the assets you'll need to create content about System.io. The fourth step, access our affiliate swipe folder to find lots of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then we have here the definition of system, a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business. Build sales funnels, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build websites, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. You have your System.io free plan, earn 16% lifetime requiring commissions. So to become an affiliate, you could just sign up and you'll find this page. So making money through a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system in question. For instance, if you are looking at an online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks or online courses. Leveraging your expertise, subscription-based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your websites or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So right now I will show you how you can create a product. The first one, you have your physical products and you click over create. You write your name here and you can just copy the description on ChatGPT or Perplexity, or you can just do your own. Then you have SKU here, product tags, currency, price also, and we have your weight also, inventory and stock limit value, shipping also, and about media you can just download it on canva.com or other websites and then you upload it here. About options, you can just click over it and you will find here option name, option value, and you can also add another option. Then you click over save. Then we have here also courses. You can just click over add new courses. Then you write your name, your domain, and you write your path here and you choose the one you want. Then you click over save. Once you do that, then you filter it as you want. Then we have the last one, which is communities. This one you can just click over create, then you write your name, your domain name, your path, and automatic post approval we have enabled here and disabled. Then you click over save. Then we have here create sales funnels. About this one you can just click over create, then you write your name, your funnel domain, build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar, then currency here, and then you click over save. Then we have here upgrade. We have here 4 packages. The first one is for free, as you can see. Then we have these characteristics about this one. Then we have here the second one, and it's startup and it's for $27 per month. And this is his characteristics and his benefits. And then we have webinar here. You have to pay $47 per month, and this is how it looks. Then we have here the last one, a limited $97 per month, and we have a limited of all these things. Then about payment gateways, we have here Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, and we have Molly, Paystack, Secure, and Pay Cash on Delivery, and various things. You can choose the one that you work with it. So, Earning Money Draw, a system requires a strategic approach tailored to your strengths and market demand, whether draw affiliate marketing, digital products, sales, or subscription models. The possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.